Hey there, fellow SEO enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of disavowing spammy backlinks using Google's Disavow tool. It's like cleaning up the digital junkyard, but way more fun. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First things first, why on earth should you disavow backlinks? Well, not all backlinks are your best friends. Some are more like that annoying relative who shows up uninvited and eats all the snacks. Spammy backlinks can hurt your site's SEO and, in worst-case scenarios, can even lead to penalties from Google. So, we want to keep our backlink profile clean and healthy. Now, what exactly should you disavow? It's not like we want to get rid of every link. We're not here to cancel our fans, we're targeting the spammy ones, those with high spam scores, links from sketchy websites, or just plain irrelevant sites. Remember, we love our good backlinks, so don't touch those. In 2024, Google is pretty good at automatically identifying and ignoring most spammy backlinks. However, it's still crucial to manually disavow some links, especially if they've slipped through the cracks or are particularly harmful. It's like double-checking your homework, better safe than sorry. Let's find those pesky spam links using Moz Link Explorer. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. Moz offers a free version, so here's what you do. Go to Google and type in Moz Link Explorer, click on the first link. Once you're on the site, sign in or create a free account if you haven't already. After logging in, navigate to the top of the page and find the free SEO tools menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Link Explorer. Now, you'll see a search bar where you can enter your domain. Type in your domain name and click Analyze. Once the analysis is complete, navigate to the Linking Domains section. This is where we'll focus our attention. In the Linking Domains section, sort the spam score column in descending order. This way, you can see the domains with the highest spam scores first. The spam score breakdown will help us understand how dangerous a backlink might be. Here's the scoop. 1 to 30%, generally safe, nothing to worry about. 31 to 60% could be risky, but not necessarily harmful. 61 to 100%, danger zone. These are the ones we definitely want to disavow first. Alright, now that we've identified the spammy links, it's time to head to Google Search Console. If you haven't set up a property there yet, no worries, we'll cover that in another video. For now, let's assume your property is all set up. Type Disavow tool into Google, click on the official link, which should lead you to a help page in Google Search Console. Scroll down and click on the Disavow links option. Make sure to select the correct property for your website. You don't want to disavow links for the wrong site. That's like sending your neighbor's mail to the recycling bin. Double-check you've chosen the right property from the drop-down list. Let's find out how to create a disavow text file. Open a plain text editor. Something like Notepad will do just fine. We're keeping it simple. To disavow specific URLs, you'll need to use a special format in the text file. If you want to disavow an entire domain, you'll write domain:example.com. Let me break that down with some examples. If you want to disavow a specific page, say https://shadywebsite.com/badlink, just put that full URL in the file. But if you notice that the entire domain is spammy, not just one page, you should disavow the whole thing. For that, you would type domain:shadywebsite.com. It's important to note that when disavowing a whole domain, you should use the format domain:example.com without www or any other subdomains. This tells Google to ignore all the links from every subdomain of that domain. For example, if you disavow domain:shadywebsite.com, it will cover www.shadywebsite.com, blog.shadywebsite.com, and any other subdomains. It's like saying, Google, I don't trust anything from this site, just ignore it all. A few quick rules. The file extension must be .txt. The maximum file size is 2 megabytes, and you can include up to 100,000 lines, including comments and blank lines. That's a lot of room to play with. Save your file and make sure it's named something easy to recognize, like disavow.txt. Then, go back to the Disavow tool page. Click Upload Disavow List button to upload your text file to the Disavow tool. That's it. You've just sent your Disavow request to Google. See, it's not rocket science, but it's an essential housekeeping task to keep your SEO in tip-top shape. And remember, don't disavow links willy-nilly. Be like a detective, investigate first. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll walk through setting up a Google Search Console property. Until then, keep those backlinks clean and keep ranking high.